Hello everyone, I'm Fat from WinCSS R&D department. Today I would like to talk a bit about FDO integrations for networking devices. How does this work? Let me show you a demo. In our setup, we utilize a single laptop or PC functioning as both the FDO and DHCP server, a standard switch, a single board computer serving as a web server for CRM services, a gateway facilitating internet access, and two routers equipped with FDO-enabled custom firmware based on OpenWRT, an open-source Linux-based embedded OS which supports over 2,000 commercial routers and easily integrates with open-source hardware. One router is built on open hardware, specifically the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 development board. The other one is the commercial router, which can be purchased at any computer store. Having been reset to factory settings, both routers are brand new and ready for deployment. Our network deployment will consist of two distinct subnetworks: the back office, a private network which cannot access the internet. However, it does provide access to the private web server. The R&D network, which provides access to the internet. Both the back office and the R&D networks share the same infrastructure, and both networks can connect to the FDO server. Devices within the back office network are unable to access the R&D network and vice versa. For the demo, we have the following: two configuration files for the two routers to onboard them to our network. The open source hardware routers will create the R&D network. The commercial router will create the back office network. Here is the detailed FDO onboarding workflow. For the administrator, get the FDO router information, including serial number, QR code, and ID. Create FDO profile in the network portal. Add network policy with the following information: router voucher, user credentials, and router profile. Submit the data to the IoT platform to initiate router onboarding. For the customers, power on the FDO router. The FDO onboarding process kicks off automatically. Finally, the FDO router is ready to use. In summary, the benefits and advantages of FDO router onboarding are manifold. Zero-touch onboarding, no IT skill set required. Fast and secure network deployment. Effortless, large-scale rollouts, compatibility with OpenWRT, simplified creation and management of network access policies, ease of device repurposing. For the next stage of FDO router onboarding, WinCSS have the following plans: open sourcing the WinCSS FDO client for the OpenWRT, launching the WinCSS Deployment Center for testing and demo purposes in June 2024. Our WinCSS Deployment Center is flexible, offering both cloud-based and on-premise options. We also provide customized solutions tailored to the specific requirements of businesses.